안녕하세요. 오투백 한국어입니다. We will go over 100 essential Korean sentence patterns. Don't forget to download the PDF file in the description. Today is day 10, the 10th pattern. 명사에서 동사. This 명사 is place noun. 동사 verb. So it means do something in some place or on some place. This form used to describe an action taking place at a special location. So this 명사 is a place noun. 공부합니다. study. 공부하다. study where? Which place? 도서관에서 공부합니다. 도서관에서 공부합니다. And 요리합니다. Where? 집에서 요리합니다. 운동합니다. Exercise. Where? In the park. 공원에서 운동합니다. 네, 여러분. 오늘 패턴 1개와 예문 3개를 공부했어요. Today, we studied 1 sentence pattern and 3 example sentences. While remembering what you learned, look at the English sentence below and think of the sentence you studied today. When you are ready, say it out loud. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Now, create your own sentence using today's sentence pattern. Leave your sentence in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Next pattern is here, and you can learn more Korean grammar here. Thank you.